Our next guest speaker is Professor Lindy McAllister. Lindy is Associate Dean of Work Integrated Learning at the University of Sydney Faculty of Health Sciences. And Lindy has been an enormous mentor to us throughout this project. Welcome, Lindy.
Thank you, Tina. It's been a real pleasure for my faculty to be involved in this project for a number of reasons. One is that it is the community managed sector, and it is a sector that's growing. There's a growing demand for services, and it is working in different models of care to what our students have typically been able to be exposed to, which is more the acute illness end. So the recovery models and the consumer participation and the collaborative care models are really important for us to expose our students to. So this is a wonderful opportunity for us to be involved. It also gives us the opportunity to involve more students perhaps than have typically been involved in these services. And I see great potential for example, exercise physiology students to be involved and other allied health professionals beyond those that have traditionally been part of the mental health team. The really exciting part about this project is that people are coming from this with a very fresh set of eyes, and so the potential that exists for really high quality learning programs isn't being constrained by very fossilised traditional ways of thinking about how student placements should work. And it's been conceived right from the start as an interprofessional learning opportunity for students, and really that's where workforce training needs to go. Students have to be able to work in teams, they have to be able to work collaboratively with consumers and carers and all the other staff that are involved, and so this is just a fantastic project for our students to be involved with in the future. I think the learning outcomes will be unique and far greater than we're currently getting from many of our other placement sites.
Thank you.